What if you could do work once and then make money over and over and over again? This is something that I personally have done many, many times. I have made thousands of dollars by doing the work one time and then making the money again and again and again. It is my favorite business model that there is. And now it's pretty much all done for you. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Passive Pro. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and anybody Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, I'm not even going to bother telling you how stale my jokes are because you know they're stale. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Dude, you know, you and Bart, you got like a tag team thing going on. Forget it already. Nobody wants it. Nobody. Okay, I don't think even you want it, really. Okay, I think you just like saying that. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, just an entrepreneur, thank you. And good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If you frankly subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Passive Pro. This is from my friend Fergal Downs. Now, Fergal is one of the biggest names in our industry. He has been killing it. You can see here some of the money he's made on ClickBank. This is not very, very old. This is from a few months ago, basically, less than a year ago. Serious money being made on ClickBank. Okay, and this is a method that I personally have used myself. I know for sure it works. I know for sure that the traffic methods work. I know for sure that these that this method works to make you money and to make you again and again money again and again and again. Okay, seriously, I've done this again and again and again and again and again. Okay, this is my favorite method of making money online because you do the work once and then you keep getting paid over and over again forever. All right, but of course, it would never be a complete review for me unless I had an insane bonus for you, and boy, do I have an insane bonus for you. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you my course on creating a membership site because Fergal is going to show you how to do it with a done-for-you package, which is great. But if you want to keep all the money for yourself, you're going to want my course on how to set up a membership site. Now, on top of that, I'm also going to give you 90 ebooks that you can add into your membership site. This is what I do in order to make money. Okay, I have sites that are not in the make money online niche. And what I do is I actually sell these courses to other people. And all I do is plug it in and I can charge $5, $10 a month. And you know, that $5, $10 a month doesn't sound like a lot of money, but you know, you get yourself 100, 200 customers, you're starting to see it make some real money then. Okay, and the nice thing is it's all done for you. You literally, you set it up one time, never touch it again. Okay, even the traffic comes in automatically pretty much. It's really, really all done for you. All right, it's super simple to do this and everything happens automatically. I mean, check this out. And I've gone through the course. So I don't know if $18,000 necessarily what you're going to see, but I can tell you from my own experience, even when I first started in the industry, I was making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month. Okay, I still make that kind of money and more from doing this. All right, from just doing this passive income business. All right, you do not need any experience. You do not need any technical skills. All right, and yes, it includes step by step how to do this, even for a novice. and somebody who doesn't know how to use a computer, okay, it's really not hard to do. All right, if you can copy paste, basically, you know what to do. All right, and yes, this is a proven method because I've used this method myself and it works. All right, I'm going to show you the members area real quick, but again, I want to go over my bonus. You're going to get my course, my personal course on how step by step. It's an over my shoulder video showing you exactly step by step how I set up a membership website, including how to set up with payments and everything included. All right, it's all set up. It's going to show you everything. My cat is upset with me. She's complaining in the background because of the fact that I'm teaching you a method that is going to make you money. And she's like, Daddy, don't tell them. Don't tell them about it. It's your secret. But I want to help you. I want to help you out. So I'm sorry, Nano. I know you want me to keep it a secret, but I can't. I got to tell them. I got to. I'm sorry. She's upset with me. But anyway, but seriously, wait. So you're going to get that. Plus, you're going to get the done for you package. Is literally just set it up, follow the step-by-step instructions, and then it brings in money. It's that simple. Okay, you're going to get 90 courses. Now pick up any upgrade. I'm going to do something extraordinary for you. I'm going to give you another 250 courses. Okay, on top of the 90 you're getting, you get another 250 from me. On top of that, that you can add in to your membership sites. You can have multiple membership sites, by the way. Okay. Oh, and I'm also going to add in one other thing. I'm going to show you how to get a really, really good domain name for super cheap, because a domain name is really important. And I'm going to show you how to get a domain name for super cheap. I bought domain names for like $5, $10 that are really high-end domain names. I'm going to show you that as well in my custom law. So again, to recap, you're going to get 90 courses from me. Okay, you're going to get my course on how to do membership sites. Okay, plus you're going to get my guide how to find custom domain names that are really, really high end. Plus, on top of that, pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you another 250 courses on top of everything else. Okay, that is super extraordinary that nobody else is going to do for you, but I'm doing it for you. And it's going to be, by the way, $12.95. Seriously, $12.95 for the whole business. Okay, now here's the members area real quick. You can see everything is showing you what to do. Okay, they actually have done for you stuff already built in. The only thing is that the done for you stuff, you're basically going to be promoting his stuff and you're going to be getting a commission on it, which is fine. But what I want to do for you, and I want to show you how to do it where you have your own money and you keep 100% of the profits. You don't have to share with anybody. And it's also done for you because you already got all the content. All you got to do is follow my over-the-shoulder video showing you what to do, and you'll be able to put it in step by step, get exactly right. And he shows you everything, including how to get free traffic. Okay, it's really, really easy to do this. You can do this. Anybody can do this. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip, man, to product creator or not.
Tip of the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, use tip of the hat. I like this thing. This is my favorite method of making money online. Grab this, you are going to love it.